eos impeditos et opinantes ad gressus, magnum partem eorum concidit. Reliqui se fugae mandarant, atque in proximus silvas abdiderant. Okay, now we are still talking about Caesar and the Romans approaching a fourth of the Helvetians who are trying to cross the river. So, eos impeditos is accusative, and that, of course, is referring to the Helvetians. So, they are impeditos, they are bogged down. I wonder why they might be bogged down. Not only are they impeditos, but they're also opinantes. You can look those words up, but it all talks about the Helvetians. And then we have this nifty participle here, ad gressus. This is from a deponent verb, so it means having attacked or approached, having attacked, and it refers to Caesar. We know that because aggressus is nominative singular masculine, going way back up there to Caesar. So, having attacked those guys here, what else happened? Oh, we've got another direct object, magnum partem, a huge part of them. Notice this is accusative, so we still need the verb to tell us what Caesar did to a huge part of them. Concidit. Well, if you attack a bunch of people trying to cross a river from the back, can you guess what concidit means? Okay, so relique se fugae. The rest of them, the remaining ones, who apparently Caesar didn't kill, se is accusative, and it is the direct object of mandarant. It literally says the remaining ones handed themselves to flight, which is a fancy way of saying they ran away, they fled. And what else did they do? Oh, prepositional phrase here. They something in the nearby forests. You should be able to use context clues to figure out what abdiderant means. If you're being attacked by a bunch of Romans while you're trying to cross the river and everybody else is killed, what would you do in the nearby forest? Now Caesar goes on to give us some historical information about this particular group of people he just got done slaughtering. Is pagus appellabatur tigrinus. Is a demonstrative pronoun in this instance talking about this tribe. This tribe was called the Tigrinus tribe. And then he goes on to give us a little bit more information about the Helvetians. Nam omnes civitas Helveti in quator pagos divisa est. That sounds so much like Gallia est omnes divisa in partes tres, except instead of Gallia, we have the entire Helvetian state is divided into 4 pagos, little groups of people. Hic pagos unus, cum domo exiesit, patrum nostrorum memoria Cassium consulum interfecerat, et eius exercitum sub jugum miserat. Caesar is giving us a very interesting history reminder here. Okay, hic pagos unus, that is a subject, that's a subject. Here's a little cum clause. The subject of exiesit is that tribe. So this one tribe, when it had left from home, i.e. in the previous Gallic Wars apparently, patrum nostrorum memoria, remember this is how the Romans always referred to having things in their memory. According to the memory of our ancestors, memoria is ablative. What do we remember? What is in the memory of our ancestors? This tribe, oh, here we've got this accusative, Lucius Cassius the Consul. What did this tribe do to Lucius Cassius the Consul that is held in our memories? They had killed him. Oh, so these Tigrini people, the ones that Caesar just killed at the riverbank, apparently were involved. And they had killed Lucius Cassius the Consul way back before, 50-ish years ago. And eius exercitum sub jugum miserat. You should remember that, but let's see. Eius talks about whose army? Cassius's army, because he was the consul. This is the direct object, exercitum. Prepositional phrase here. So they killed the consul and they had sent the army of him beneath the yoke. So apparently the Tigrinis are the ones that we all dislike because of what happened to Cassius.